So fulfillment models. So when we talk about fulfillment models, there are four main types that are most common in the industry. So the first is the B2b model, and that is direct business to business. And simply put, it's basically selling your product directly to a business, whether that is a bulk supplier or a distributor, whatever the case, you're just selling a bulk quantity of good directly to a business. The second model is B2C. So B2C traditionally represents e-commerce and .com retailers, whether you're selling stuff through Amazon, Walmart, Chewy, any of those .com websites. Typically with B2C, you're selling directly to the end user. The quantities can vary, but traditionally you're looking at a low quantity of goods sold directly to those. And when I say low quantity, I mean usually under 10 total units. The next model is consumer to consumer, C2C, which is one consumer selling directly to another. Something like eBay, Craigslist, Etsy, those kind of things represent C2C fulfillment models. And the final most common one is the C2B, consumer to business. And that's not typically that traditional or something anyone's really thought about, but in the age of the whole B2C, what you're looking at here is kind of the reverse logistics aspect. So you're looking at your goods coming back through the channel, whether they're coming back directly from your distributor point or whether they're coming back directly from the end user. And this is often when a company is looking to set up e-commerce sales or even, B2B sales. It's honestly one of the most overlooked points and one of the biggest cost buckets that people really just kind of forget about planning for, more or less. So.